Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Redshift to Airflow for automated ELT jobs, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by setting up your AWS Redshift cluster. Log into the AWS Management Console and navigate to the Redshift service. Create a new cluster or select an existing one. Next, gather the connection details for your Redshift cluster. You will need the hostname, port, database name, username, and password. Now, log into your Apache Airflow instance. Ensure that you have the Redshift provider package installed. You can use the command pip install Apache Airflow Providers Amazon to install it. Once installed, navigate to the Airflow configuration file. Locate the Airflow Connections section to add a new connection for Redshift. In your Airflow interface, go to Admin and then Connections. Click on the Create button to add a new connection. Set the connection type to Amazon Redshift. Fill in the required fields with the connection details you gathered earlier. For the host, use the Redshift cluster endpoint without the port. Enter the port, usually 5439, in the corresponding field. Input the database name, username, and password in their respective fields. Optionally, add a description to make it easier to identify this connection later. Save the connection settings and return to the main interface. Next, create a DAG in Airflow for your ELT jobs. Start by defining the DAG parameters such as the DAG ID, schedule interval, and default arguments. Now, choose a specific operator to connect to Redshift. You might use the Redshift to S3 operator or Postgres operator, depending on your ELT requirements. Define the tasks within your DAG that will execute the ETL processes. Be sure to specify the necessary parameters and connection ID to ensure the task connects to Redshift. Keep your tasks organized by setting dependencies between them. Once you have defined your DAG and tasks, save the file and deploy it to your Airflow environment. After deployment, head back to the Airflow UI to check for your newly created DAG. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.